So I'm going to show you how to do a subject search in this quick video. And this isn't so much about finding books on a particular subject, but rather finding subject terms. When we search the catalog for information, the library uses authoritative controlled subject terms, specific terms that have been set down so that we are sure we're always using the same terms for the same subject. And it's important you know those terms because if you use the wrong term, you'll have a hard time finding information. So to find the right subject term for the topic that we're looking for, we're going to use what's called WorldCat. And to get there, you're going to click on the Books Library Catalog tab, and then click on WorldCat. And this will take you to WorldCat, which is a database of library holdings from around the world, including thousands and thousands of libraries within the United States, including UAF Rasmussen Library. So you could actually search WorldCat to see what other libraries have books and materials that you're interested in. But for right now, what we're using in here is the subject feature, and that's this link right here. So we're not going to search down here in the main search for area because that's not what we're looking for. We're not looking for a book or a video at a specific library. We're looking for a subject term. So we're going to look in this subjects link up here in the upper left corner. Now, if I wanted material on permafrost, I could type in permafrost here in this word or concept box and then click find. And WorldCat is going to show me that the word I really want to use for permafrost when I'm searching the library catalog is frozen ground. When I click on expand, it will give me a lot more information about that subject term. This is the subject heading itself. So frozen ground, if I actually click on this, here I'll do that so you can see what it does. It will take me to all the materials that use frozen ground as a subject search. So we can see there's 5,848 items in this particular catalog. I'm going to go back to our list here. And frozen ground is used instead of using the term permafrost, frozen soil, or soils, frozen. That's what this used for means. Now there are broader subject terms. These are categories that would include frozen ground as part of them, and that would be soils and cold regions. And related subject headings, which would be other terms that are similar but not exactly the same, and that would be cryopediology. Then there will be narrower subject headings. These are items that fall within the subject term of frozen ground. So rock glaciers are a type of frozen ground. Thermokarst is a type of frozen ground, and so on. And topical subheadings would be used in conjunction with the subject heading. You wouldn't find them on their own. If you searched research by itself, you would find lots more information than you really need. Instead, you would use frozen ground, then these two dashes, and then the term research to find more information about research that has to do with frozen ground. So that's how you use WorldCat to search for subject terms to make sure you're using the proper term for the topic you want to search for.